Okay, now let's test what you've learned so far. Choose the right option. Our museum houses the largest collection of modern art. 2. We are throwing a big party tomorrow night. Would you like to come over? 3. You are always complaining about everything. Why don't you just start taking responsibility? 4. This huge ugly laptop weighs over 4 pounds. 5. Now I think prices for houses will keep rising. 6. He has a shower in the main bathroom. It's gorgeous. 7. Is this a horrible explanation or am I being stupid? 8. I taste cinnamon in this apple pie. I love it. 9. I am weighing these grapes to put the price on them. 10. Kevin is a very difficult child. I don't know what I am going to do with him. If you're ready, move on to the next chapter. See you there.